Good day. My name is Derek Heidemann, and I'm the coordinator of historic trades here at Old Sturbridge Village. I'm here in the Moses Wilder blacksmith shop at the museum today doing a little bit of repair work. Very commonly, when we think of blacksmiths in the early 19th century, we think of them making brand new objects like hinges and door latches, maybe even some tools. But a large portion of the work they were doing was very often mending and repair work. We see this time and time again in their account books that survive. So what I'll be doing today in that spirit is taking a broken plow chain from our farm and repairing it. So I've got the chain here, I have the broken link that needs to be replaced, so I'll forge out a new link and weld the section back together so it's ready for use again on our farm. To begin making the replacement link, I've cut a piece of round bar to match the rest of the pieces of the chain. I'm then going to bend that into a U shape, as you see from the central piece here, and then pull out the ends into these narrow tapered scarves. These thin areas will allow me to blend them to the thicker areas of the link once they're bent around, as we see on the end here. So the link on the end is now ready to receive the other two sections of chain while it's still open, and then with some heat it will be closed. I'll apply a borax flux, although they might have used sand in the 1830s, and then I'll return it to the fire, get it to the point where the metal is almost white in color, and then I'll strike to weld it together. And there we have it, one repaired chain ready to be put back to work on our farm. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you here at Old Sturbridge Village sometime soon.